friends, Namaskar, welcome back to my channel योग Jyoti. Hope you all are doing great. आज हम कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस पोजेस करेंगे जो कि हमारी बैक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को इम्प्रूव करेगा. तो लेट्स डू इट. सो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लॉक्स. अगर आपके पास ब्लॉक्स नहीं है तो आप कुशन रख सकते हैं, बॉल्स्टर्स हैं तो वो रख सकते हैं, और अगर कुछ भी और नहीं है तो आप बेडशीट को या टावल को अपने रोल करके लगा सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कंफर्टेबल हाइट. लाइक मैं पहले एक ब्लॉक से करके दिखाती हूँ आपको. ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा हाइट कम रहेगा यहाँ पे. सो इसको मेरे को प्लेस करना है अपने अपर बैक के पास. ठीक है, प्लेस योर हेड, बैक ऑफ योर हेड ऑन द फ्लोर एंड जस्ट रेस्ट. सो जिनका फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बैक का कम है उनके लिए ये स्टार्टर्स के लिए, बिगनर्स के लिए ठीक है. अदरवाइज जैसे जो करते रहते हैं उनके लिए ये कुछ इम्पैक्ट नहीं डालेगा. तो दे हैव टू इंक्रीज द हाइट. तो इसी में ही मैं इसको इस तरह रख के देन आई ट्राई. See, you can feel the difference. So you have to place it to your upper back and feel the stretch. Stay for 20 to 30 seconds in every pose. Minimum. Maximum you can extend according to your stamina. Okay. This one is this. The second variation of this is, again you can use the blocks as per your comfortability, and then again same place you have to place your back. Place this and fold your legs. For more stretch, you can raise your arms up above your head. And get up. Next pose we will do with the help of blocks again. In reverse pose, this is called puppy pose. We're doing the puppy pose with block right now. Place your elbows on the block. Again, I'm keeping the height low for beginners. And just try to touch your forehead to the ground. Again you can increase the height. For proper balance, now I am doing it with and increased height. I am using both blocks so that it get balanced. Slowly raise your head and come back. Now I'll perform the same puppy pose without blocks, without any props. Okay, So you have to do this also. Okay, this is a sequence, right? Place your hands on the ground, palm touching the ground, and again same pose. You can either put your chin on the ground or you can place your forehead on the ground as per your comfortability and your stretching. So like forehead is the easier, and then you can place your nose, you can touch your nose, you can place it, and then chin is more can give you more stretch. Another variation in this puppy pose is extended puppy pose. In this you have to extend your legs, right? This time your knees are touching to the ground. In this, place this and this. So this is more advanced one. See whether you can do it or not. First just check it out, or otherwise you just go with the earlier two levels. Slowly and gradually you can reach this speed. Relax in sitting position or in lying down position in Shavasana. So we are going according to the sequence. So we were there in the puppy pose. This one, from here you have to go in upward facing dog position. Here you will feel the stretch in your lower back. Okay, again staying there for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest. You can rest in Shashank position, rabbit pose, or child pose. Next asana in the sequence is locust pose, that is Shalabhasana. Okay. So we are working on our flexibility, so no need to hold for a longer time. Just try to do as many reps as you can. Holding for 15 to 20 seconds. Come back. And again you can repeat it for 2 to 3 times. Relax for 15 seconds. Next we will do frog pose. You have to place your hands like this, elbow touching to the ground. Okay, and fold your leg one by one. Okay, opposite leg, like you are keeping your right hand on the ground, so you have to fold your left leg, and with the help of your left hand try to stretch it towards the floor, and keeping your back stretch. Change the position. Place your left hand on the floor and right leg bend from knees, and stretch it with the help of your right hand, and again stretch, holding your toes. Again, you can repeat this for 2 to 3 times. The last pose in the sequence is the bow pose. So as we are working on the flexibility of our back, most of the person who are performing this, or you are who are practicing it, must be a beginner only. So if they can try without any prop, without any help. They can just stretch holding on to your joint, ankle joint, okay, and from outside like this, and just lift your leg, head, and try to raise your chest. If you can't able to do it, you can again use the props. If you don't have blocks, as I told you earlier, you can use your pillow, cushion, or just roll your towel or your bed sheet, place it just below your chest, right here, okay. So you will get the support, right? Then fold your legs from your knees, and again now stretch. So by using prop, you get a good stretch, okay. अभी हमें बैलेंसिंग नहीं करना, अभी हमें अपना स्ट्रेच जो है, अपनी जो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है उसको बढ़ाना है. तो हम सपोर्ट लेके करेंगे तो हमारा बैलेंसिंग पे ध्यान कम जाएगा और हमारा स्ट्रेचिंग पे ध्यान ज़्यादा रहेगा. तो मेन पर्पस ही हमारा यहाँ पे स्ट्रेचिंग है, मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेचिंग करना है. अगेन relax and repeat it for 2-3 times. And after doing all the poses in the sequence, just lie down in Shavasana. This is mandatory to rest after the poses. Just lie down, leaving your hands and your legs. Relax, totally relax, palm facing upward direction. Close your eyes and breathe. Inhale and exhale deeply to relax. So thank you for watching my video, and subscribe the channel please, and do hit the like button, and thank you. Bye bye.